It's 45 degrees today. We're going to go for a short ride over to the shop and we'll get geared up and see you over there. We're at the shop. Run in here and ship this one thing and go on home. Okay, since I'm only shipping one thing, I'm not even going to get out of my gear. Maybe my helmet. I'm going to keep the helmet, the rest of the gear on. 1907 is the order, and I'll go to my inventory. 1907, see where that is. That is in bin 40. So orthopedic shit. Okay. So here. Okay. So there's a video yesterday. It shows how we ship these. We will. If you want to see how these get shipped, you can check that out. I'm going to double check them. Well, they look pretty good. Okey-dokey. And fold it up, make our shoe burrito. Put it back in the bag. Tie the bag off. Check it for regional A. Nah, I think that one's too big for regional A, so we're going to go with a regular shoe box. One of these. We'll tape it up. A little bit of padding in them just for fun. You can use paper. If you don't have air bubbles, you can use paper, you can use whatever. That's probably what I'm going to use. So. A piece of paper just to kind of keep them flop around too much in there. We'll double check the weight, make sure it doesn't push the weight up. Be careful putting too much paper in, or it'll go. And you just want it kind of lightly crinkled. You don't want it kind of smushed down or roll. It's only almost, it's still under 2 pounds. So we're good. I'm going to go ahead and tape that up. Alrighty. Click on purchase shipping label for my order section of eBay. I like to check my weight is 2 pounds. My box is priority mail. Good. So I'm just going to hand purchase and print the label. Purchase the label. It's thinking about it. There it goes. Okay, now go ahead and print the label. And put it on. And put it on the box. Right there where it goes. Alright, and you're done. It's that quick. We'll add that to our pile to go for tomorrow. Get back into this lovely weather.